the main canvas.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this is the main canvas. All
Yeah.
this. This is for reporting purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime when we do some visualization and create report, we will use this area.
Got it.
And how to remove these lines? Okay.
Um, Look on the left. There should
Okay.
be, yeah, an undo button.
Okay. And now these are three panes here.
Three what?
Three panes
Uh-huh.
here. Okay, highlight. One is the data pane, and
Okay.
second is the visualization pane, and third is the filters panes.
Right.
In data panes, all the tables, when we load some data from Excel or any type of data, CSV or from any source, all data shown here.
Okay.
All tables are shown here. This is the data view.
All right.
And whenever we show data in the form of visualization like charts, pie chart, bars, and tables, we use visualization panes. This is the visualization pane.
Okay.
And third, if we apply some filters on this report, we use this filters pane.
Okay.
You clear it? Okay, now let's move.
Yeah. So that okay, wait, before we move on. So if we when we have some data uploaded, it appears in the data field.
Yeah. Okay, I will upload some data. First of all, I
Okay.
will explain these views.
Okay.
Basically, these are three main views here.
Mm-hmm.
One is report view, as
Yeah.
you can see here when I take mouse over here, it is report view. And when we move below, it is table view and it is the model view.
Okay.
Report view is when we make some reports, this will appear, this canvas will appear,
Okay.
this canvas. This is report view. And how to move this? Okay, okay. And when we click on table view, all the data which we have imported, all data tables and columns are shown here at this view, table view. And when we make some relationship between dim tables like dimension tables and the fact tables, do you know what are the dim tables and fact tables?
The fact tables and what's the other one?
Dim table and fact table.
Dim table.
Dim table and fact table.
No, I don't think I do. Fact table, I guess, is what, like where the source of
Fact,
truth is for the data or something. I don't know.
yes, yes. We some got some data, actual transaction data in which sales are occurring and transactions of accounts are occurring. These are the fact data.
Mm-hmm.
And dimension table is like just if we have a fact table and we have in product in fact table like any product you can say. Uh,
Dimensions show more than one category of things, right?
yes, 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 you can say.
Like
I
sales
will,
by quarter, something like that.
yes, we will discuss in details in later on. It is just uh, main. Okay. Now I will upload some data. You can upload data from various clicks. You can, where is the, okay, okay. You can upload data from from here, from here, from here, and also from here. There are a
Okay.
lot of options you can upload first file. So
Hmm.
let me, I have downloaded some data from, do you know what is Kaggle, Kaggle.com?
No, I think I've heard of it, but I don't remember anymore.
Kaggle.com is the website, most of the data, dummy data is
Uh-huh.
available there.
Okay.
Almost every type of data, financial, HR data, accounts data, and sale data.
Got it.
So you can download every type of data and for practice only.
Okay.
So I have
Awesome.
some data. I will click on Excel workbook and
Brother, can you give me 1 minute? I need to go wash my hands. I'll be right back.
okay, okay, okay.
Thanks. All right, I'm back.
Hello, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I was, yes.
Okay.
You can click on directly data sets
Got it. Okay.
below data sets. You can
I
sign
see.
up with your Gmail account. First, click on data sets. Just write data sets.
Yep.
Yes.
This is like what,
And
data website or something? You can grab sample data from here?
yes, these are letters for practice. Any
Okay.
kind of data you can download.
Got it. Okay.
You can download simple data. You can type here uh, chocolate shipment data. It is very simple.
Mm, got it. Okay. Nice.
Uh, Type here chocolate simple data, chocolate shipment data. Chocolate. Yes. Please
Okay.
enter. Press enter. Okay, now
I
you
did.
can click on data sets. Data set is here. Data set. It is showing only one data set on this
Yeah.
chocolate shipment. You can click on it chocolate shipment data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now it will show data. Scroll down. Is there any data available? This is the sample data. You can click on download button.
Click on what? Download?
Yes. Click on this button, download button.
Uh-huh. Get down. Get down. No. Then?
Okay, downloaded.
Yeah.
Now open the data. Open the data file.
Like from the downloads on my computer?
In the download folder.
Nothing.
Nothing. Click again.
As it?
No, no. Scroll down.
Oh,
Click
okay,
on
now I
this.
downloaded. Yeah, this right here.
Okay. This is very simple data. This
Mm-hmm.
is the shipment of chocolate sales, awesome
Mm-hmm.
chocolate company. Shipment ID, SPID. Means salesperson ID.
Uh-huh.
PID mean product ID. GID mean geo
Okay,
ID,
can we use
geography.
some data that's relevant to me instead of this random stuff?
Okay, you can download your own and then load it.
Yeah, I have
It's
it.
up to you.
Let's use this data set right here.
Okay.
I'm working on identity access management stuff. So my data will be logs of applications, but
Okay. Okay.
log histories, like who logged into what
Okay.
application, what's the protocol for that application, SAML versus OIDC, what type of application it is, how many users, blah, 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 that kind of stuff.
Okay. 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 Load this data.
How? How do I load the data?
First close this file.
Uh-huh.
Close this Excel file.
Yeah.
Uh, Now remove this living room. We don't need this.
Okay.
And also color should be white. Okay. Now click on Excel to load the data. You
Hold on
can
one
click
second.
also here. You can click also here. Anywhere you can click,
Hold on one
you will
second.
load data.
Yeah, go ahead.
Have you clicked?
Click what? Browse?
You can click here, also here, anywhere you type. Okay, okay.
Yeah. But it's only showing me these pictures. Where's that files I just downloaded?
No, no, no. Cancel this.
Oh, this is image only. Okay, I see.
Oh, don't click here. Click here. Import data. Click here.
Okay. So this is showing me the
Now,
different tables that are in there, or what is this? IM
yes.
issues.
First, click here. This will preview data. Now, tick here. Click here. At this point,
Here?
on application name. Click here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the showing you data where our data shows. And
Hmm.
if you click below, this table will be shown. And
Okay.
if you click here, this table will be shown. This is
Hmm.
the first preview of our data. We can show, we see that is there any error or any need cleaning. We see here.
Got it.
When we want to load, we will click on this box.
Which
Click
box?
on the box. If we want to load this table in our Power BI, we have to click on this box right here, this box. Please click on this box.
I can't see. Can you undo all those other marks? I don't know which one you're talking about. The annotations, can you undo the ones that you did before?
One
I
minute.
don't know which one was the last one you did. Yeah, that's good. Now tell me.
This box.
Oh, okay.
When
Okay.
you click this box, this table will be selected for loading.
Uh-huh.
You select all tables. If we need all table, also
Hmm.
select this also and all four tables.
Okay.
Tick on all tables. Okay, stay here. If you see all data is in clear form,
Mm-hmm.
then you directly load this data to Power BI. If you see that there are some errors or some cleaning is required, you will click on transform data. The best practice is always click on the transform data. This will come to the query editor. Then we will say there is there any error, any cleaning required. We will clear clean that data. Now
Okay.
this is Power Query editor will be open.
Mm-hmm.
Now all these tables loaded here, and one table is called one query.
Mm-hmm.
These are for all queries. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we will understand that which data type is. This is written here ABC. Are you
Mm-hmm.
seeing that?
Um, A, B, C, like where?
We click on ABC.
Oh, right here. Yeah.
Click on
Like
ABC.
it's in alphabetical order,
Okay. Yes. Oh, ABC mean this is
like
ABC
alphabetically
here.
ordered.
ABC mean it is the column type is text.
Okay.
Identifying column type is very important.
Okay.
So this is
Like it's
okay.
string.
Yes, it's like string. Okay.
Okay.
And this is okay. And scroll right side. Okay. These are all text as you
Mm-hmm.
see there, strings. But when we come here in target, we see here 1.2. When you click here on
Mm-hmm.
1.2, click here.
That is so basically it's one whole number and showing one number after the decimal.
One, yes, decimal. It's showing the decimal number.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. If we
Mm-hmm.
want to change any data type, we can click on. If we want to convert it to text, we will click here. This will be converted to text. But this time it is okay. Sometimes
Let's
Power
try it.
Query do.
Let's try it. I
Uh,
want to see what it looks like. So will it actually spell it out like 1 point in text? I can undo it. Anything I do, right?
yes, yes, anything.
Okay. So when I click that, what happened now?
It will convert to text.
But this doesn't
Okay.
look like text. It still looks like
Yeah.
numbers.
Yes, it will behave like a text. You can say that when columns are on numbers and decimal numbers, we can add some calculations like some and addition and subtraction. But we cannot do that on text or strings.
Hmm.
Can you understand?
Yeah, I understand that. You cannot do calculations on text, but it didn't make it into a text though. What it just changed it into some long numbers. What are these things? What
When
happened
you
here?
you have changed the data type to text. Before that, it was its data type was a decimal number. Technically, it is good because we have these all data in decimal numbers.
How do I go back? How do I change it back?
Again, click on ABC and click on decimal number. First. Okay, again it is converted to. Sometimes Power BI automatically detect which data type is. That's why it convert to according to your data.
Well, you
Uh,
can't convert that into text because these are numbers, right?
we can convert anything to anything. It's up to you, up to us, because
Well, what does it mean to convert a number into text? Like spell out the number? What does that mean?
this time it is very okay. Just I am telling you that we can change the data type.
Okay,
This
I understand
time
that, but
Power
when you say
BI,
that change from number to text, what does that mean? What do you mean by that?
I mean that if Power BI do not detect, so, if Power BI does not detect that it is a decimal number or it shows it ABC, then we
Mm-hmm.
will convert it to decimal number. Now this time it is okay. Power BI detected the data intelligently and all things are very okay. In case if Power BI do not detect the data type accurately, then we will
Mm-hmm.
click here and change data type. Can you understand me?
Yes. So here, when I change it to text, it just what is happening to it?
This column will behave like text. We cannot add some calculations like
So basically, it'll take the
sum.
numbers and turn them into text characters only. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I think I
Also,
understand.
also click on PAM maturity. We will see all the columns are okay.
Well, seems like it.
Application IB okay. And now here is written on second column. Here
Yeah.
now is written 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Mm-hmm.
3 means its whole number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's okay. Power
Okay.
BI is so intelligent, Power Query is so intelligent, it detects your data, read your column all data, and then
Uh-huh.
automatically convert it to data type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hello.
Yeah. I'm listening.
Uh, but sometimes Power BI do not detect the data type.
Okay.
Then we should change it manually. Now
Okay.
this time it is everything okay, but always we check data before loading to Power BI. We
Mm-hmm.
always clean data in Power Query before loading to Power BI. I think this
Mm-hmm.
all data is very much clear. You can check one by one all queries, first, second, and third. You are on third one. Now check
Mm-hmm.
second query. Yes, this. Okay.
Yeah.
You check your own by your own. Just first see which type is this. Just see which type is this and which type data is this. If this is okay, then you can load data. Otherwise, first you clean data, then you will load.
Okay. Show me how to
Now
clean something.
everything is okay.
If I had to clean something, how would I do it? Show me.
What? Please again tell me.
If I had to clean something, how would I do it? Show me how to clean the
Yes.
data.
If first remove these annotations,
I think only you can remove them. Like go to the left. I think there should be a bar that pops up. Yeah.
delete. Okay. If Power BI do not detect this data, this is
Mm-hmm.
all string or text data. If Power BI shows here 1, 2, 3
Mm-hmm.
or 1.2, this is technically wrong. Then we will select here ABC, click on ABC and convert this into text because this is text. Now Power BI detect it's fine, it's ABC and this data is all text data.
Mm-hmm.
In this time now it is okay.
Mm-hmm.
We do nothing and we load it to Power BI. This button is to load. After cleaning the data, we will load it to Power BI. And you
Mm-hmm.
can click on close and apply. Close and apply. Now this data will be added here. All four queries, four tables are queries. You can say table or query.
Mm-hmm.
Both things same. Okay.
Okay.
Now these four tables are added here.
Yeah.
Okay. And now click on this table view. We can check this data in table view. All tables data will be shown here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It is first query application inventory. This all data showing here. Just like in Excel, this is showing data table.
Mm-hmm.
We first we read our data, which data is, and which visualization we can make from it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you click the second query as well, third query to see your data, which data type is, and everything is you will see here.
All right. Hold up. One
Okay.
second. Yeah, 1 second. I need to go put up my 1 second. Yeah, I'm back.
Okay. And also you can check and click here. Wait a second. These are other queries. Why
Okay.
annotation is not working here? Okay. Now you can check this and this all four tables. Click one by one. No, here. Yes.
Where?
Here. I am. These are four tables. Here.
I don't know what you're
Right.
pointing to. There's so many annotations. Can you remove the annotations?
Okay.
This one?
Okay. This one, yes. I am issues. Click on this. Now this table will be loaded here. You can check this table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this table Okta onboarding. Click on here. Onboarding. App ID is to MFA. Onboarding status. Okay. And this is PAM maturity.
Yeah.
Okay. This is all your four tables
Yeah.
and these data it contains.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Now, first we will click on first table application inventory and we see the data structure. What can we visualization we can do on our first data? We will see. Click on
Okay.
application inventory data.
Mm-hmm.
And this can contain app ID, application name, business owner, IT owner, its type, it is critical. I think it's priority, critical or medium. How many
Okay.
user count and hosting type is cloud and region.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click here in the report view.
Right here? Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Now we will create our first visualization. These are all visualizations here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is for table most commonly used. and this is for metrics. These are most commonly used. First, click on table, this table. Okay. And empty table will be created here. You can see that. This is the empty table.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is requiring some data. And
Right.
this is the column we will put our data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, click on this arrow button.
Which arrow? What did you just circle?
First, I remove all the drawings. Okay. This arrow.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as this table is empty table. Now we want to fill this with values. Okay. And we can fill values on this column. Now we can tick here or drag and drop this to here. Both are okay. Now drag this application name to here.
Drag the application name to here. Okay.
Okay. All application names are shown here in this table, as you can
Mm-hmm.
see. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we calculate the user count against application. Now drag this user count below here, below application names. Okay. And
Yeah.
now enlarge this table. Click here and enlarge this table.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
This is showing that in which application like clinical app, or it is a data lake, or it is donor portal, how many counts against it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's showing against every transaction. Clinic app 2645, again clinic app 3.65. We need unique values here. Clinical app just one time here, and it should be sum of all user counts. That it will make some sense.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we make a dim table from this application. Hello.
Yeah. I'm here.
Now we can make dim table. Dim mean dimension table.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We will make
Yep.
dim table, and we will drag dim table here, and also we will take the sum of this user count.
Okay.
Okay. Now again click on the transform data. Transform data, when we will go to Power Query, we will always click on transform data.
So we've added the two columns we want to visualize. Is that what we did into here? Like
Please
we
tell me
grabbed the
again.
two columns that we want to see from here and we added them here. What did we do over here?
Do nothing here. Let it be here. First, we will make dim table to make these values unique.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Click on transform data. It will go to Power Query.
Uh-huh.
Power Query is, the backend of the data where
Mm-hmm.
we perform all data processing. Click on the transform data.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm just let me clear all the drawings. Okay. Now, click on the application inventory. Right click on the application inventory and click on reference.
Click on what? Reference?
Click on reference. Okay, this make the reference table of application inventory.
Uh-huh.
You can say it a duplicate of application inventory. But
Mm-hmm.
the difference between duplicate and reference is when some data changes in this table, automatically data will be changed here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
because this data is for some time. When new data will come, data will be increased here. So when we duplicate it by reference, data will be added also here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now double click on this application inventory or click here. Both will work and rename the query. Make it dim application and rename it to dim application. Dim mean dimension. Now we are creating dimension table.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now we need this application ID and application name.
Mm-hmm.
All other columns are irrelevant to us. We will
Mm-hmm.
delete all other columns. There are
Okay.
two methods to delete all other columns. We click here on each column, click on the business owner, right click, right click, and select delete column. Remove column. First, second one. This one,
Okay.
remove. Now select this,
Select which one? What did you circle?
any of these. We want to
Okay.
delete all columns.
Okay.
We want to delete all the columns.
Like this?
Yes, we will remove. It's one way of deleting removing the columns. But if we have lot of columns, like 30 to 40 columns, then it will be very difficult to delete one by one column.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything which we do here, it is added in this area.
Mm-hmm.
Steps are adding here.
Mm-hmm.
And we can redo it or we can delete this step. Just click on this cross button. This step will be removed, and again we will be having these all tables again, all columns again. Click on this close button.
Yes, right?
Okay. This applied step will be removed and will be on same position.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we're doing right now is basically like what is this
We are
process like what we're doing at the moment? Like
we
we're
are
trying to
we trying to make a dim application table.
okay. What it what is the purpose of the dim table? Like to show
Okay.
different columns and stuff? Like what is that?
We
What
will we will
why would we
make
do this? I guess explain that to me.
we okay. We will make these all application names unique, and we will filter our data based on this application name, because we want to calculate the user count against a single application name.
Uh-huh.
We want to calculate that how many user count against this clinical app,
Mm-hmm.
and how many users against Finance Hub. That's why we are doing this. We
Okay.
are making a dim table.
Okay.
I was telling you that one method is to delete one by one all columns,
Or you can just go to the right over there and delete everything at once.
or other method is that just click on both these two tables.
Mm-hmm.
Click here and press Control and click on this.
Mm-hmm.
Just let me uh, delete all drawings. Okay. Click on this column and press Control button and also click on this column. These two columns will be selected. Okay.
Yeah, got him.
Uh, Press Control. Okay, these two are selected. Now right click and click on Remove Other Columns. Right click here. Oh, select again.
Okay, you can choose the two that you want to keep and delete everything else like this. Okay.
Remove other columns. Yes. Now all other columns will be removed at once, whether
Yeah.
these are 30 or 40 columns.
Right.
Okay. Now close and apply to load this data. Okay. Sorry. Just remove these duplicates. Click on App ID.
There are no loot duplicates, by the way. These are not duplications.
Just click on the view button and click on the view button.
Mm-hmm. I did.
This shows the column profile and column all quality and statistics data.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Click on the column profile.
Mm-hmm.
This will tell you all the distinct and unique values. These all are unique. These are all distinct and all are unique.
Yeah. Yeah. They
Then
should be.
why repeating in clinical app and clinical app are same here?
Um, well, I mean, some content inside of each column may be the same, but each row is unique.
Then it is not app ID. It should be a row ID. This is technically wrong because this clinical app name is same and this unique ID also should be same. We cannot say it app ID. It is row ID.
Mm.
Okay, don't worry. Just delete this. This is not app ID. This is a row ID. This is the
Mm-hmm.
row. Delete this. We will remove duplicates from here.
How?
Remove this column app ID. Right click and remove.
Yeah.
Okay. Now showing application name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now right click and remove duplicates.
Where does it say that? This one?
Remove duplicates. This one. Now it is unique names.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click close and apply. Come to home button
Mm-hmm.
and close and apply. Click on close and apply.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, our dim application table is also added here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see it.
Okay, okay. Now click on this arrow. Okay, we will use a application name from here, not here. Okay, because these are unique.
Okay.
Drag first delete this from this close button and drag this to here.
Okay. Delete what? I'm sorry. Delete which ones?
Delete this application name.
Okay.
Okay, application name.
Yeah.
Now drag this application name from dim table to here.
Hey, going over.
This drag to there.
I'm not understanding the dim table still. Like, what is the purpose of it? Like, what is it doing for us?
Okay. User count, drag user count below this application. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, now this is our all repeating.
Mm-hmm.
We need here unique here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now come to the this part, data modeling.
Mm-hmm.
We will build relation because this is another table and this table is another table. This is fact table and this is the dim table. We will make connection from this application name to this application name. Okay.
I'm still not
We will make
understanding what is the
relationship.
dimension table? Like, dimension table is what you're creating? Like,
Dimension table is just the duplicate of this table.
mm-hmm.
We make a unique value. These application names are repeating lot of time in fact data.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We need a unique table to filter this data.
Okay.
Okay, click on this that relationship model.
Where?
Here, click here
Uh-huh.
on the left side.
Yeah.
This will show the relationships.
Okay.
Okay, drag, scroll down, scroll down,
Mm-hmm.
and click on this arrow to enhance the canvas size. Okay.
Yeah.
Power BI automatically detects data types based on their and make relationship all automatically. But
Mm-hmm.
we will delete all relationship we will make by our own. Right click go anywhere on this line. This is the relationship between this and that. Right click on this line, and delete this. And also this, yes, delete this. Also this, delete our relationship. We will make manually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Scroll up, scroll this up to show the table data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Delete this also. Okay.
Yeah.
These are all four tables which have we have made imported. These are four tables. And one this we have created by duplicating this table to make this dim table, dimension table.
Okay.
Uh, Now we will create relationship between dim application to this fact application table.
Okay.
Uh, Drag this application name to this application name. Okay. This will make relationship. Now it is saying that, just let me clear. Okay.
Baby.
This is showing that it is first from table, dim table.
Come
And the
here.
second table is application inventory table.
Come on.
We are making relationship with this table, this column, because these column are same column. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now it is showing that one to many cardinality. It is saying that values are repeating once here and here are many values, like duplicating here. These are unique values and these are duplication values.
Mm-hmm.
This is showing that. And
Okay.
this tick shows that this relationship is active now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now save the button. This relationship will be okay. Okay. This is working fine. This one shows that here are unique values and this star means that here are many values. This
Mm-hmm.
relationship is one to many. Okay.
Yeah.
Now again come here, click on report view. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now application name. Clinical app is repeating again. Okay. Now we will make measure. Calculation measures are some measures that we use to summarize or make a explicit measure. Right click on this user count.
Make what?
Measures are the temporary calculations which we make to apply somewhere.
Okay.
Click on user count, right click on, and click on new measure,
Oh, measure.
new measure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
new measure. Okay, this will open formula bar just like Excel.
Mm-hmm.
You can write there measure. First of all, you can measure name. Uh, Change the measure name to sum of counts or total count, any you want. Remove this measure, click here, click here.
Mm-hmm.
Before is equal to remove this measure and rename it to total count. Total count or sum of count as you wish.
Okay.
Okay. Have you used Excel before? Microsoft Excel.
Just a little bit. I don't have any too much experience with it.
Okay. We write formulas on Excel just like
Mm-hmm.
this, sum formula and other formulas. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the formula bar, and here we in Power BI we call it DAX. DAX, DAX, data analytical expressions. We will discuss
DA
in
what?
detail data analytical expressions.
DAX?
DAX,
Okay.
DAX.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. In Excel, it is called formula. In Power BI, it is called DAX, data analytical expression.
Mm-hmm.
Data DAX mean we create a temporary calculation and apply anywhere we want.
Mm-hmm.
So come and click on the other side of the is equal to button.
Yeah.
Right side of the, okay, okay. Now write sum, SUM sum. Uh, Click on sum
Mm-hmm.
or use bracket. Click on sum. Okay. And now it is asking for which table and which column you want to sum. We want to sum application inventory table, and in table we want to sum user count.
Uh-huh.
Write here application or select from here user count. Directly select, you can also type or directly click on this user count. Here, click here, user count.
This one right
Okay.
here?
And now close the bracket. This is showing that our table name is application inventory and our column name is user count, which
Okay.
is here user count. Okay.
Yeah.
And now click the tick button, green tick button. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have created our first measure. This is
Okay.
here, total count.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will use here instead of this user count.
Mm-hmm.
Remove this user count and use this total count. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is working fine.
Mm-hmm.
Now we see that against clinical app, there are 41,053,537. These are the total users that are using clinical app. Can you
Okay.
understand?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, you understand this?
Yeah, so we're basically out of two facts tables, we created a dimension table where we were showing two different columns. Like we filtered out that data and showed what we want to see, basically, right? Like we want to
Yes,
see
yes.
how many people, how many of the applications are clinical applications or something like that.
How many users are using clinical app? How many users are custom claims? This is this type of data.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one way of visualization.
Mm-hmm.
it is in the table form. You can also visualize it by data like bars, column
Mm-hmm.
chart. You can click on this button.
This, right?
Yeah, this and this now converted this to table to column chart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to convert it to pie chart, then you will click on this pie chart.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
This is showing in the pie chart. And next we will discuss that when to use pie chart and when to use table and when to use slicer. These we will discuss on later. First, you realize that if we use pie chart, if there are three or two or three or four maximum values,
Mm-hmm.
then we will use. Otherwise, if these values are more than three or four,
Mm-hmm.
then this does not make any sense. This is
Right.
not understandable. What is this?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
then
understand.
if these values are more than three or four, we will use table. Table will be the best choice. We
Okay.
will discuss on later on which visualization we will use. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so I think it's enough for today.
Yeah. That's good, man. That's a good start. I'll have some
Uh,
exact use cases and stuff to show you so we can actually build some stuff in my work, related to
okay.
work stuff. But yeah, for right now, this is good.
Okay. Because I have slept only 150 minute, I think, or two
Right.
hours maximum.
Yeah, yeah, I
Uh,
gotcha. All right, cool, man. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Next, when you will be busy, tell me. We will continue this.
Sure. Yeah, we'll try to meet
But
again maybe tomorrow, hopefully.
this all depends on practice.
All
How
right.
much you practice, you will how much you learn.
Yeah, I
I
understand.
before since two year back, I used to see videos on YouTube and downloads a lot of lectures and listen, but I can't understand. When I download the data from Kaggle and make my own dashboard, then I
Mhm.
understand.
Yeah,
When
yeah, definitely.
some practical, then you will understand.
Yep, true.
Okay.
Cool. Sounds good.
Okay. Now I think we should leave now.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Bye.